What should you do when there is no time to sit in front of the monitor and watch the stock price, but you want to sell your stock when it reaches certain price? Most investors use take profit orders and stop loss orders in these situations. And in this video, I'll explain how it works in general and show an example using the investing platform of eToro. Hey there, this is Stockspert. I make educational videos about personal finance and investments by exploring with you the investing world to get more returns. If you want to check out my other educational videos and best stocks to buy, you may want to check out card section and the video description. Just quickly like the video and subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Let's start with the take profit order. What is it? A take profit order is the type of order that specifies the exact price at which to close an open position for a profit. Take profit orders are limit orders that are closed when a specified profit level is reached. If the price of the security doesn't reach the limit price, the take profit order doesn't get filled. Usually, limit prices for these orders are placed using either fundamental or technical analysis. Take profit orders are beneficial for both short-term traders who are interested in profiting from a quick bump in the security cost, or long-term investors, which usually based on fundamental analysis. And let's see how to place an order for take profit on eToro platform. So how to set an order in your terminal? It probably can be done in any investing platform. I'll show you in an example of eToro. It can be done while you're buying a stock or for the stock which is already in your portfolio. Let's buy a new stock, for example, Facebook stock. We just click trade at a market price and let's pick units. 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to $268.08 right now, and we just want to set an order for take profit, and we just put amount. Let's put that when the amount rises for $40, we want to take profit. It means that when the stock price increases for the 14.98% of the position amount, it will take profit. And we just click set order. And now let's talk about stop loss order and trailing stop. A stop loss order is an order placed to sell a security when it reaches a certain price. These orders are designed to limit an investor's loss on a position in a security. When a stock reaches or falls below the stop price, the order executes at the next available price. You may also set a trailing stop. A trailing stop is a modification of stop loss order that can be set at a defined percentage or dollar amount away from a security's current market price. A trailing stop is designed to protect gains by enabling a trade to remain open and continue to profit as long as the price is moving on investors' favor. The order closes the trade if the price changes direction by a specified percentage or dollar amount. A trailing stop is typically placed at the same time the initial trade is placed, although it may also be placed after the trade. And here how you set it on eToro. Okay, in order to set a stop loss order, I will show you how to do it when buying stock. Let's buy one more Facebook stock. We just click trade at market price amount. Let's choose 1 unit, $267.08. Here set no stop loss right now. We click stop loss and here's an amount. So we don't want to lose 100% of the position amount. Let's put $20. So when we lose $20 from this stock price, the stop loss order will be placed automatically and it will set at a price like $247.08 or a little lower if price goes down. And here also we can set trailing stop loss it means that if the stock price will go up, like for example up to $300, and then it will come down $20 to $280, it will place a stop loss order. Now we click set order, and it sets our Facebook order, and it will be placed when the markets open. And right here is detailed overview of eToro investing platform that you may want to take a look at. It allows trading stocks and ETFs at zero commission rate, and there's a link in the description if you would like to register. And let me know in the comments if the video was useful for you, and what stocks are you planning to place an order for take profit or stop loss.